here like 6 days. All right. Back to you, Becky. We're gonna see. We want to hear about Channel 8 news.
Channel 8 news.
Yeah, exactly. Tell us what's going on with the weather here.
It's raining in sheets.
Sheets. Now, exactly what does that mean?
But you can see them. But now it was back there. It's like it's let up some here.
What are we out here doing anyway?
We're going to get cedar.
Okay.
I think if it like cut down a little bit.
AKA for you natives out there that don't know, cedar is medicine for us.
But then we have Indian raincoats in the back seat.
What's Indian raincoats?
Those little trash bags.
Like a poncho?
Yeah.
So, for all of you out there, I guess you would kind of consider this extreme picking medicine.
Maybe a let up.
Haven't come up with a perfect jingle like this, but I'm sure that it's something that Clark Griswold would probably be part of, and
so
cousin, yeah. We're literally out in the middle of the boonies.
Look at Kyle country.
We're somewhere.
Look, see, it's going to let up.
I have seriously seen. It ain't about to let up.
I hope I still got my little clippers in the back. They should still be back there.
This is like.
If I don't have my clippers, we're just to the drive.
Jeez. Big old dots.
Sheets. Raining sheets.
Look at all that rain. Ow. Jeez. Alright. Have a good one. Hopefully we'll live.